Hello everyone. Today's mechanics topic is force system. My name is Harshada Srinivas Kundur. So force system is there are two or more forces acting simultaneously on a body. That system is called as a force system. There are two types of a force system. First is a collinear force system. Second is a non-collinear force system. In a collinear force system, it is a system in which all forces are lies in the same plane, called as a collinear force system. Means in this collinear force system, this is the plane. In this plane, all forces are acting in this plane. All forces act in a different direction. So non-collinear force system, it is this type that all forces are lies in a different plane, called as a non-coplanar force system. Means non-coplanar force system मध्ये all forces are in a different plane. This is a one cubic. In this cubic, there are separate parts. In this cubic, all forces are different parts. So the coplanar force system further classified in four types. First is a collinear force system. Second is a concurrent force system. Third is a non-concurrent force system, and fourth is a parallel force system. In a collinear force system, the force which acts along the same line, called as a collinear force system, means all forces are passed in the same line. In concurrent force system, the system of all forces interact at a single point, called as a concurrent force system. Means in this system, all forces are acting in a single point. In non-concurrent force system, the system of all forces not intersect at a single point, called as a non-concurrent force system. In this force system, all forces are not acting in a single point. In this system, all forces are acting in a same point, but in this force system, they are not acting in a single point. They are acting in a different points. So parallel force system, the force whose line of action are parallel to each other, called as a parallel force system. Means in this system, all forces are parallel to each other. There are two types. First is a like parallel and second is a unlike parallel. Like parallel, the force whose line of action parallel to each other and act in same direction, called as a like parallel. In this force system, all forces are parallel to each other, and all forces direction are in a same direction. In a like parallel force system, the force whose line of action are parallel to each other and act in a opposite direction, called as a unlike parallel force system. In this force system, all forces are parallel to each other, but in a different direction. There is no compulsion for force in same direction. So force system is divided into coplanar force system and non-coplanar force system, and coplanar force system is further divided into four types. First is a collinear force system, second is a concurrent force system, fourth is a non-concurrent force system, and fifth is a parallel force system. In a parallel force system, there are two types. First is a like parallel and second is a unlike parallel. So